What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It is Thais Simone, and I am back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is going to be for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. What's up, Pisces, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What's up, Pisces? Oh my God. All right, let's see what's up. Speaking of Pisces, what's up, loud Pisces gang? All right, walk away then. Shit. Let's see. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay, we have 1 day, significant time, give back, time to get a watch, and give back came out together. So we're gonna pull one more card. So time is definitely significant for you. Give back. What the fuck? 1 week. Okay, so I feel like because it's your birth. Whoa! Heartbroken at the bottom of the deck. Look, we're not even gonna get into that energy unless, I don't know, we're gonna see what the cards say. But time is definitely significant to you, and I think that that's because it's your birthday season. So, you know, you could be celebrating a birthday, could be celebrating multiple birthdays, could be anniversaries, could be significant things that you've been wanting to do at certain times. But let's see what's up with 1 day. So in a day, we have 6 of Swords in the World. Okay. So in a day, you're completing a cycle. In a day, you're moving away from something, or you're moving on from something, or you're moving to something, or you're being guided to something. Yeah, well, hold up. I think you're being guided to something. But let's see. The 6 of Swords. I keep forgetting to explain the cards. I kept forgetting. I'm remembering. Anyways, the 6 of Swords is a card of moving on, moving away, dealing with traumas and moving through them, dealing with emotions and moving through them in an intellectual way, kind of intellectualizing them, or again, being guided by something. And then we have the World card, and the World card is about completion. It's about things coming to an end, cycles ending, and just, you know, that cycle of life kind of feel. So I feel that you're being guided to complete something in a day. You're being guided to do something in a day. Like I feel like something gets done in a day that either you are guided to do, or you get help to do, you get assistance to do in a day. Give back and time to get a watch. We have the Star reversed, and then the title card. So the Star card is a card of hopes, wishes, dreams, fulfillment. And with this being in reverse, I feel like you are not getting something that you wanted, or you're expecting to get something and you're not receiving anything. But it's the cards are saying it's time for you to get something. It's time for you to do something. With time to get a watch, it doesn't necessarily mean a literal watch, although it could be, obviously. But it's time for you to get up and get something done, or to get up and do something. And it's saying to give back. So maybe you're being guided, or you're being assisted to complete something to give to someone, or someone is trying to complete something to give to you. Let's see. 1 week. 1 week. We have the Alien, aka the Hermit in this deck. Well, it's the Hermit, aka the Alien in this deck. And the Alien, or the Hermit, is a card of someone kind of being isolated, someone kind of being alone, kind of thinking to themselves, planning, coming up with something, like, you know, contemplating. It's like serious, deep meditation, deep thought, deep self-awareness is this type of energy. So either you or someone that you're connected to is in this energy for a week, or was in this energy for a week. They could be coming out of it, they could be going into it, but I feel like, I'm gonna pull a card on heartbroken, but I feel like somebody felt that, again, they weren't getting something, or they weren't receiving something, like their dreams weren't coming true, their wishes weren't being fulfilled. So like maybe you didn't get something you wanted for your birthday, or you didn't get to do something you wanted for your birthday, and you know, it kind of like it hurt you, or you know, like whatever. You're being guided to do something, again, in a day or for a day, or someone is being guided to you. But there's some action that's required on your end. But I'm not sure what this heartbreak is. It's starting to like make my eyes water. Like it's just something feels. Let's see what this heartbrokenness is. The Queen of Wands reversed and the Prince of Swords. So with the Queen of Wands is someone who is passionate, someone who's full of love, someone who, you know, is sexy, they're cool, they're fiery, obviously, wands. But with this person being in reverse, or this energy being in reverse, either you or someone else, I'm feeling like someone did too much, or they said too much with the Prince of Swords, and it broke your heart, or they said something in a harsh way to break your heart. Because the swords and the fire, especially for a water energy, like, you know, to come out of water energy like this, like it'll piss you off, it'll make you sad, and it'll piss you off. You know, because we already know how water signs get, okay? Like they'll cry about it, yeah, but then they're ready for that revenge on your ass. Okay, so I don't feel like, because Pisces isn't, most Pisceans aren't inclined to go for revenge right away. It's more of like kind of sitting in this hurt, or just kind of, you know, just fucking sitting in it and just feeling fucking hurt. So I feel that maybe, again, something hurt you, something broke your heart, something didn't happen. Maybe something was supposed to happen in a day and it didn't. Maybe somebody was supposed to get you something and they didn't. They were supposed to show up for you and they didn't. And I just feel that you've been looking outside of yourself for something. Just anything is what it feels like. Like, I feel like you or someone around you doesn't feel stable with this King of Pentacles reversed at the bottom of the deck. They don't feel like they're grounded. Like they don't feel like they have anything. But I feel like with this give back, Pisces, I feel like instead of looking outside of yourself, you need to look at yourself and to give these things to yourself, to do these things for yourself. So maybe you need to spend this week in meditation and contemplation, or this week giving yourself love, or a day giving yourself love, just giving something to yourself. Because I feel like you're looking outside of yourself, and in all of this looking outside of yourself, you're being disappointed. You know what I'm saying? Like you're being hurt. And I feel that once you look at yourself and you look to yourself for these things, obviously you'll get them, because you won't be giving them away as much to other people. You'll be giving them to yourself. So in turn, people treat you like how you treat yourself. I saw this quote: how you treat yourself is like the blueprint for how other people are going to treat you. So if you feel that you're being heartbroken by other people, or you feel like you're being overlooked by other people, or people are forgetting about you, or people are communicating with you harshly, like you're communicating with yourself in a harsh manner. And you're saying, like, you have to listen to that inner dialogue, Pisces, and what it is that you're saying to yourself, and why you feel like your dreams aren't coming true, or your wishes aren't coming true, or the things that you want aren't manifesting. Oh my gosh. Now I feel like I want to cry. Pisces, what the fuck? Like, the energy is gaining momentum. So whatever that is for you, shit is speeding up. And your dreams need a practical plan. So yeah, like hurry the fuck up, Pisces, and make a fucking plan. Like, hurry the fuck up and look at yourself. Hurry the fuck up and get your shit together. A win-win outcome is forecast. I feel like once you do this inner work, you'll know exactly what you need to do to get to your dreams. And not only will you get to them, you'll get to them quickly. Because I be telling people all the time, like, people with Pisces energy, I feel like, are the best manifestors, because they say when you want to manifest something, you have to feel it. Like, you have to put yourself into that feeling. Like, if you want a new car, you walk around with some keys and you be like, these are the keys to my new car. You know what I'm saying? You keep telling yourself that. Like, people get mad at Pisces for lying and delusion, but essentially you have to delude yourself to a certain extent to get the things that you want. You have to feel them. And Pisces are phenomenal at feeling. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm like, y'all, whenever y'all get into a feeling, you like to sit in it, because y'all feel things. You know what I'm saying? You just like to go with the flow. You just like to dream. You just like to be in that shit. But whatever this heartbreak energy is, can we come out of this, Pisces, please? Can we know again? Can we remember rather that we can make our dreams come true? And not only can we do it, we're the best at doing it. So, you know, do that, Pisces. Do that for you. I said I have Venus and Pisces, but you know, it's not for me, but it's for you. So a win-win outcome is forecast. So that is what I have for you today, Pisces. Now I gotta fucking try to cry this out, or let this shit go away, because now I feel like I gotta cry. But yeah, so that's what I have for you. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and comment on it. Okay, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And until next time, you already know, I love you. You are truly legendary. And I will see you next time. Later.